Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to two-strand twist, so let's get into it. If you have not checked out my previous video on how to moisturize your hair, definitely do that so you can see how I apply the products to my hair. Okay, the only thing I'll be applying in this video is gel because I already applied the product like I said. So let's get into it. I am taking a section and parting it off straight across, and then I'm going to take this little section and split it in half to create two sections because I like to work with medium to small pieces so that my curls or my twist out is more defined. So what we're going to do is apply the gel to the section of hair that you have already sectioned off. I'm just being nosy, y'all, you know how it goes. And then I'm going to finger detangle, make sure the hair has no knots or anything like that. And then what I'm going to do is split that section in half. I'm using my fingernail because I have nails, and then I'm just going to split it in half. So now that you have two sections, what you're going to do is take your back piece and cross it over to over the front piece, and then swap hands with the hair. So your back piece over your front piece, and you transfer with hands. So you move your back piece to the hand that has the front piece, and then you keep doing it like that and changing hands. You make sure you hold each piece taut so that you don't have a loose twist, and if you are getting knots in the process, definitely brush it out, comb them out, finger them out, whatever you want to do, just so that you don't get tangles. But I'm telling you, it's really easy. It's just that you have to make sure you're holding the hair taut. So we're going to do it again. So you're going to section your hair, apply your product, and then section again where you have two pieces. I have my back piece, and I'm crossing it over my front piece, and then switch hands. Cross it over, switch hands, cross it over, switch hands, cross it over, switch hands, cross over, switch hands. So it's like easy. It's really a repetitive thing, but once you get the swing of it, you'll be fine. I think it's the hand part that people usually mixed up, which is where you're taking your back piece and moving it into the front piece hand, and taking the front piece and pulling it into the back piece hand, so that it's easier for you to rotate. Excuse me. And when you're done, you can just take it and twirl it at the bottom of your finger to create like a coil, so when you do detangle or take out your twist, it has a nice curl at the end. I'm sorry guys, I'm sick, I have a cold, so that's why I sound nasally, but I'm going to show you this process again so you get it, okay? So even doing the front part of my hair where I have shorter pieces, you always can put some edge control in the front to lay it down flat if you prefer that, or to be able to grip those curly pieces in the front. But yeah, the process still works the same. It's a really easy process. I'm telling you guys, once you get it, you're gonna be like, oh my god, it was that easy. So definitely try it out. I am gonna come to you guys with a video on how to 3-strand twist, so definitely stay tuned for that. Yeah, so keep watching to see my results. So you guys, whenever I am done with my twist out, this is how it looks. I just go ahead and apply a bonnet and sleep in it and let it dry up and take it down in the morning, and this is how my hair looks. I do not take a comb to fluff it up. I just actually use my fingers and just shake my roots a little bit. I do have twist out videos on my channel, and you guys have seen how I take my twist down, but if you want me to do that, I will put that in my 3-strand twist. But yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like below, comment on some of you guys' favorites products. This was, you know, a first time try, but definitely in a staple. So until next time guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.